In the journey of life, we all face challenges, and sometimes, the road gets tough. But remember, it's during these challenging times that our true strength and resilience shine. Today, let me share a powerful motivational short story on how to stay positive in bad times. Once upon a time, in the small town of Positopia, lived a person named Alex. Like everyone else, Alex faced storms of life, unexpected setbacks, disappointments, and moments of despair. It seemed like the clouds were never going to clear. Amidst the storm, Alex stumbled upon a small seed of positivity. Instead of succumbing to the darkness, Alex decided to plant this seed in the fertile ground of the mind. Watered by hope and nurtured by resilience, the seed began to grow. As the seed sprouted, something magical happened. The storms that once seemed overwhelming transformed into valuable lessons. Alex started seeing challenges not as obstacles but as opportunities for growth. The power of perspective was at play. In the fields of Positopia, there were sunflowers, symbols of optimism and brightness. Alex realized the importance of surrounding oneself with positive influences. Friends, family, and uplifting thoughts acted as sunflowers, radiating positivity even in the darkest times. Alex's newfound positivity didn't just stop there. It created a ripple effect in the town. Others started planting their seeds of positivity, and soon, Positopia became a beacon of hope. The storm still came, but now, they were embraced as catalysts for positive change. And so, the story of Alex teaches us that staying positive in bad times is not about denying the storms but about learning to dance in the rain. It's about planting the seeds of optimism, nurturing them with resilience, and surrounding ourselves with the sunflowers of positivity. No matter how dark the night is, remember, the sun always rises. Stay positive, stay resilient, and let your light shine bright. If you found this short story inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with those who might need a boost, and subscribe for more motivational content. Until next time, stay positive and keep spreading the light.